Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
So I'm really happy that this Goa Center have taken this kind of initiative, and we started this in 1996. It was started more of to do policy research.
If you go today to Konkani, there are two major rivers, that is Talpana and Galjibak. There is no water in both the rivers. We are on 30th of March.
We don't get a water drought, but we get a lot of rain. But as February, March approaches, we know situation in Goa. We have a lot of agitations.
So these are the farmers, they are daily wage laborers. Early morning, 4 o'clock, they go to water their crops. By 8, they go for their daily work. Although we have put solar pump sets, sunrise takes 6:30, sunset at 6:30. So their time, they are at the work. They need to switch on the pump and irrigate their crop. So their presence is required in the paddy field. And this is the time, again, TERI said, we'll go with something sensor technology. No need of farmers to irrigate their crops standing there personally.